Greetings, Gengol Libya. This is your upline and chief, Patman Sinatiraja. Firstly, we missed you so much at VCon Malaysia. Alright, but your uplines, Mohsen Subahan were here. Alright, and they're going to bring back so much information, so much passion, so much energy. Alright, and it's time to raise the bar higher in Libya. Alright, for Gengol. And guys, they're going to bring back simplicity. Simple messages and simple things that you need to do. Now I know that you must be a bit sad that you miss VCon and all that, but don't worry, they are bringing VCon back to you, alright, and they will tell you, okay, what exactly you need to do. Now to me, Libya has great potential, and I'm sure you agree with me, but this year 2013, it's time to make that potential into a reality by producing results. And it's very easy. I need Gengol to sit down and make that decision that Libya must belong to Gengol. And all you have to do is presentation, presentation, presentation. Alright? And Mohsen will come back and tell you presentation, presentation, presentation in French. Because I'm teaching them French now in VCon. It's that simple. Alright? We need to reach as many people as possible in Libya. And you will find your Adlis, you will find your Aruns, you will find your Giris, you will find your Satis. It's that simple. And guys, I want to come to Libya. I heard so much, I'm jealous now from AVP Giri every time he goes there. So put 2,000 people in a hall in Libya, and I will send you we partner Adli. Put 5,000 people in the hall, and we partner Adli will make sure I come to Libya. Alright? So I love you guys. Alright, and I will see you at the next VCon. But now it's time to raise the bar higher. Okay?